In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications not working. If your Slack alerts have suddenly gone silent, don't worry. We'll walk through a few simple checks to get everything back to normal. First, let's start with the most basic but often overlooked step, your internet connection. Slack relies on a stable connection to send and receive messages in real time. Take a moment to make sure you're actually connected to the internet. If you're on Wi-Fi, check that you're connected to the correct network and that other websites or apps are loading properly. If things seem a bit slow or unresponsive, go ahead and disconnect from your network, then reconnect. On a computer, that might mean turning Wi-Fi off and back on. On a phone, you might toggle airplane mode on and off or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Once you've reconnected, reopen Slack and see if notifications start coming through again. If the connection looks fine and notifications still aren't working, the next place to look is inside Slack itself. Open Slack on your device, then click on your profile icon, usually found near the bottom or top corner of the app, depending on your platform and version. This will open a small menu. From there, select Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps most of your personal settings. Within Preferences, look for the section labeled Notifications and click on it. This is the control center for how, when, and if you get notified. Carefully review your notification settings. Make sure that notifications are turned on and that you haven't limited them more than you intended. For example, ensure you're not set to receive notifications for nothing or only for very specific situations when you actually want to be notified more broadly. Also, double check things like Do Not Disturb hours or any custom settings that might be muting alerts. Sometimes, though, the problem isn't Slack at all, but your device settings. Your computer or phone can block or silence notifications at the system level. Open your system preferences or settings and go to the notifications section. Find Slack in the list of apps and make sure notifications are allowed. Confirm that alerts, sounds, and badges are enabled, and that no global do not disturb or focus mode is hiding your messages. Finally, make sure your Slack app is fully updated. An outdated version can sometimes cause bugs or issues with notifications. Go to your App Store or software update tool and install any available updates for Slack.